How to download Reason Bank mobile app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to download Reason Bank mobile app. So let's get started. First of all, if you are using an iPhone, open the App Store or Google Play if you are using the Android device. In search bar at the top, type Reason Bank or Reason Real Pass and tap search. There in the second option, you can see the Real Reason Pass. Tap on Get to download the app. Verify with your iPay and confirm with your Face ID to download the app from the App Store. Once your app is downloaded, tap on Open to open it. And that's it. You now have the Reason Bank mobile app installed on your device. You can now log in or sign up to start managing your finances on the go. Thank you for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.